Lies cost lives, and when you have to tie a moon to a string and fling it around the goddamn world, you don't know how the moon works. Because this fucking moon, see, he has his moon starting way over here. Pretend this is Venus in your sky. It shoots way past Venus. Now, we know the moon never does that in the sky, does it? Let's see where you got the moon started. Way over here, Lee. And then you fucking got a little machine to take your moon all over the sky. Look, it's wiggling. The moon doesn't do any of that. You're a fucking idiot, dude. Venus is way over there where the moon rose with. That is not a working model. The mechanics are wrong. That's not the way the moon works. See, look, it moved way past the star that it rose by. No, you have to park that thing right there. Now start spinning circles, idiot. Jesus Christ. Some people are just that stupid. That is literally a flat earth model right there that you're looking at right here. That is a flat earth mechanical model. This moon does not fly around like Superman. We do circles making the whole background here move together. That's the way the moon fucking works. If it rises with this fucking basketball hoop, it and the basketball hoop are going to set together. Make a model like that, because that is a working model for a moon in our sky. This is trash. This is a flat earth model, and the guy upholds it like it's brilliance. He'll take it to his grave because he's that stupid. He did a video over here about the Schumann. He never opened up anything and learned anything about it, and he calls it a magnet resonance. The Schumann resonance has zero to do with the magnet at all. It is lightning strikes that bounce between the ionosphere and the surface of the planet at the speed of light. The only variable is the distance between the ionosphere and the ground. And guess what? Your Schumann's spiking because we're getting unanimous magnetic compression around the planet. Listening to fools will get you in a very fucking early grave. This motherfucker wants to say magnets do not resonate 1748 because he's sitting here going over something that has nothing to do with the goddamn magnet. Of course he's not going to find anything to fucking resonate at 1748 because nothing does. This is nothing to do with a magnet at all. You stupid fuck. And you produce these things, and you have already posted the fucking wrongness. It's wrong, dude. It's wrong. The Schumann frequency has nothing to do with Earth's magnet, you fucking idiot. In this video, the lying murderer will show you, yes, stacking multiple magnets together to make them stronger. Two or more magnets stacked together will exhibit nearly the same strength as a single magnet as of the combined size. Well, fuck's sake. So here comes Lee. He wants to throw out a homemade drawing to tell you that they get weaker. This man wants to make his own drawings up to counter all of known science. I suggest you fucking don't listen to this guy too much. He'll get you killed. In probably a very painful, slow manner. Adding magnets adds strength. Stacking multiple magnets together to make them stronger. Two or more magnets. It even gives a chart. Magnets stronger. Magnets stronger. They inherit each other's strength. There is no weak link on a magnetic chain. These are things that have been known for a long time. Don't listen to drunken idiots that fucking think they know something, but don't. This is what the moon normally should look like over a month, a full month. It used to roll 23 degrees. Now, every night you can see these bunny ears are all the way up top. And by the time it sets, the bunny ears are all the way at the bottom. Tycho crater has fucking risen at 3 and set about 10. That's a little over 180-degree roll by the time you get from rise to set. That's not normal. Normally, the moon would rise wax and set wax. It has been rising wax and setting wane. And some people want you to lay on your back to get a fucking proper view of it, to make it stop rolling. Because in their little mind, they can't handle the repercussions of what this means. It means that no matter how badly you want it to be not true, even popular mechanics says the Earth's axis has shifted. Now, all you pole shifters out there that are talking about the so-called mysterious will it happen magnetic pole shift, what in the fuck are you sitting around repeating lies for from Suspicious Observer and everybody else? You sound like Operation Mockingbird, especially being as how the Earth's axis, the physical fucking axis of our fucking planet has shifted, and you want to know about the coming pole shift. Get the fuck off my channel and go watch fucking lies, because that's what you're used to. This being the ecliptic, your moon sits on it. We used to roll like this. According to the ecliptic, our axis tilted, making the fucking sky roll. It's that difficult. Okay? It's that difficult. Period. The Earth's axis shifted. The moon, therefore, does not do what it used to do. And obviously, nobody can prove me wrong. They got to tie a goddamn cucumber to a stick and wave it around like Superman. And it still doesn't do what the moon's doing every night. Now, I have made the act of pointing to the sky for you to look at something which you can see very clearly each and every single night on your north horizon. There is a massive planet there that you can see with your own eyes. And I've said so. I haven't been telling you too much about it because it's pretty scary. Well, I'm tired of fucking bullshit. Go look. Go look to your north horizon on a clear, starry night. You will see a massive fucking planet on your north horizon. This guy will never look. He will, and if he does, he sees the planet, he'll blame something else. He'll say it's a fucking cow fart, just so he isn't wrong. This man is a sick individual. He continually misleads people to their death. It is insane the things and the levels he will stretch to make shit. Oh my God, just fucking insanity comes out of his mouth. You can see he poo-poos known physics. The man wants you to lay on your back to take a fucking look at the moon. Since when did we have to do that? Ever? Oh, because this guy said so. Please go watch him, listen to him if you have any doubts, and if you don't want to look at your northern horizon, go fucking follow this guy, please. Suck his. Maybe that's why he's kicking and screaming so much, because nobody shows him love. It's hard to show a liar love that wants you to fucking die a horrible death, that thinks you're dead and have no energy. He follows a Christ that lies. He lies and he teaches him to lie and fucking hate people. This guy has nothing but horrible things to say about people that speak truth. As you can see, he truly has exactly what he's coming to him. Some horrible fucking things will be happening to you, Lee. That fucking planet behind you will suck you right off this motherfucker, boy. Bible canon clearly states when the sun and Nibiru near Earth, the fucking axis shifts, making the sky roll. That began in October 2010. It also states that it lasts 10 years and 5 months. You can go to Ken McClellan and see that. Yeah, he did one. I did one. Ken McClellan did one. We people that read fucking Bible canon, the original books of the Bible, instead of the people that read the Roman twisted fucking version of a fucking lie. Yeah, we know who the sons of Cain are, too. As a matter of fact, Lee doesn't. He's a fucking idiot. He follows a lying Christ. I don't think it's the Christ you've heard about. This guy has found a different one, I think. Keeps giving him fucking crack. Well, now we've got a working model. See the Earth spinning and you're standing on it. You're standing on Earth. And here goes the moon. And it rises wax and sets wax. It tilts about 20 degrees, maybe. This is at the equator. The most movement. I mean, gee, I don't know what to tell you. That moon is not doing cartwheels, and it never has before. Working model is Earth spinning. Moon damn near steady on the table. It moves 6.24 degrees every 12 hours in its orbit. Every 12 hours, this moon moves 6.24 degrees in its orbit. That's it. It doesn't fly around the fucking planet. See, now Lee's model has this literally flying 180 degrees every night. And that is not the fucking way the moon works. That is a very incorrect model to make something seem like he wants it to be. And it's not. And that's just as simple as that gets, folks. A liar is easily seen if you know what the fuck is normal. And I'm showing you what's fucking normal. This is established normal, period. You can find these things. Yes. And look at the working models and see that the moon is indeed not doing a goddamn thing it used to. Well, several people have caught and time stamped the moon every night doing its new cartwheel. Not just John. And actually, this came from another astronomer, an actual professional astronomer that probably sued the teeth out of Lee if he knew what he was saying about this. The astronomer who took those photos is actually a friend of Dazza the cameraman's. And right here on the screen is another picture that Dazza runs through that's upside down of the moon. He poo-pooed it, and then the astronomer that took it approached Dazza with a legal threat. And Dazza made this video. Tycho crater shouldn't be going all around the moon, as per Dazza. Now, a funny thing, we found Dazza molests little girls in New Zealand, and Lee here is bragging about how brilliant a scientist Dazza is and all this stuff. So we wonder why he fucking wants to uphold Dazza as the almighty great guy. I mean, you got to look at Lee too. I met this person who's obviously an astronomer, and they time lapsed the full moon. Yeah, that is a fucking full moon doing cartwheels. All I did was full moon time lapse, and a whole bunch of people came up, and this is one of them, and she got thumbnails everywhere with Tycho everywhere. So I came in here and started talking to her about, oh wow, man, you got the moon cartwheeling all over your fucking page. And she's like, what are you talking about? And had a little bit of an exchange, and then I was like, oh yeah, she's an astronomer. You have Tycho all over the fucking place on the moon. And she's like, oh, no way. I said, it's on your thumbnails. Go look. So she's been literally filming the moon for years of it doing cartwheels every night and had never noticed until I pointed it out. And then she came back with, oh my God, dude, what's causing that? I never even noticed.